Freedom isn't just a concept, it's a feeling. Experience the thunder of racing boats, the energy of the crowd, and the adrenaline of competition on the water. This is speed. This is passion. This is boat racing at its finest.
Hi, I'm Brendan Kelly and you're joining us at Hartbeespoort Dam for the second round of the South African P750 Inflatable Powerboat Championships. What a stunning venue. The water hyacinth on the water has all but disappeared from where we'll be racing. The racing action about to get underway. We're going to go straight into a driver's briefing and then we'll have the circuit racing. The classes having been split up. The novice class looking absolutely phenomenal. I think we've got 15 boats, 15 novices, 11 standard boats. So a total of, I think, 49 boats that have made it out for round 2 of the South African Championships. We'll keep you updated with all the action.
Ek's Dian, ek's die pilot van S69, dis my co-pilot.
Luan Flores.
Ons is hier so by Hartbeespoort Dam, ons het net 'n circuit race klaar gemaak. Ons is baie happy met wat ons gedoen het. Ons het aangekom, niks geweet. Die eerste keer wat ons dam races reg deelneem en alles het lekker saamgewerk. Ons het 'n bietjie gesukkel in die begin, maar alles het net lekker saamgewerk. En ja, ons het 'n bietjie moeite ingesit. Dis die mannetjie se eerste keer van sy races. So ek's baie trots op hom, ons het baie goed gedoen en ja.
Ja, ek wil ook maar net sê die boot het mooi geloop en ek is bly om te sê dat dit my pilot is.
Ons is oorspronklik eintlik van die see af. Ons is die eerste keer wat ons het geriepreis gery, maar nie baie goed ervaar nie. En dis die eerste keer dat ons so ver opkom. Dis die eerste keer wat ek in Johannesburg is selfs. So wat maar ver ry op, so ons is baie trots met wat ons gedoen het en ja, baie geleef.
Ek is hier van boot nommer 12, JP Haman pilot en dis Henko Pina my co-pilot. Dis 'n baie nice event. Bietjie gesukkel met die setup en alles, maar sover het alles goed gegaan en ek kan nie vir beter gevra het nie. Dit het redelik goed gegaan, het baie gesukkel met die toestand. Dis nie gewoond aan hierdie tipe waters nie. Dit al met die Kaap, maar baie nice event, baie goed gaan die races, kan nie vir beter vra nie.
Good afternoon, I'm Christo de Jager, President Powerboat South Africa, and first of all I would like to say thank you to all the spectators that were here today. It was a great day of racing. I think everybody that was here would agree with me that there's major potential in the sport. It was a very good turnout, I think approximately 55, 53 boats, and tomorrow morning we'll be running the final of the modified class and the novice class, and thereafter we will have the long haul over 100 kilometers, and we're all looking forward to that as the closing of the second leg of the South African P750 Championship. For the future of the sport, I think we all agree that there is great improvement, and we're setting ourselves up for a great year next year. but then we still have to get through this. We also invite everybody to the National in August in Jeffreys Bay. See you there. Thank you.